Hello, hello, hello. It's Martin here with the second of my property clinics. I do Ask Martin Mondays, where it's your chance to ask me any questions you like from the world of property or Homes Under the Hammer or just anything. Somebody asked me about pizzas. Well, that's coming up here. Whatever you want to. I'm here to answer your questions. Obviously got a little bit more time at the moment, so they might be longer. How long can I talk about pizzas for? Let's have a whole discussion about pizzas. Why not? This is from Wendy. Hello, Wendy. The age-old question: does pineapple belong on a pizza? Well, it is Ask Me Anything. So, Wendy, the reality is, right, yes, but only if it's a Hawaiian. If it's with ham, then I think you can get away with pineapple on a pizza. I think if it's not a Hawaiian, then pineapple just no. Now, I do like, I have to say, making my own pizzas. Well, not making pizzas, I was making the dough and floppy hat and lots of flour everywhere. And whenever I think about that, I think of the mad chef in the Muppets. Do you remember the mad chef in the Muppets? I think he was called the Swedish chef, is that right? I think I was making pizza, and that's the image I have in my head. I love the Muppets. Did you like the Muppets? I love the Muppets. Muppets were awesome. Yeah, maybe it's a good time to revisit all the Muppet shows. Yeah, Gonzo, Miss Piggy. Gonzo was so funny. Was he accident prone? And he had those chickens, didn't he? And didn't he had the chicken band. With the chickens clucking in time with the Glenman. I think it's called American Patrol. And there was the Gonzo's chickens. Dr. Teeth. Was it Dr. Teeth? Because the guy had like teeth. And the girl had like, she talked really like, yeah, man. And she was like, really, yeah. And they had, oh no, what was the drummer called? Animal. And those two geezers in the rafters or the box. It was great. Yeah, fantastic. No, it was awful. Boo. They went from good to bad or bad to good. Superb. Do send me in more questions. As I said, you can do that via martinroberts.co.uk. You can do it on my Twitter, which is at TV Martin Roberts. Do it on my Instagram, which is Martin Roberts TV. You can do it via this YouTube channel. Please tell people about this. Do like, there's a button somewhere that says like. Do like it. Do subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Send in your questions, and I'll be back with more of these next week. In the meantime, keep happy, keep healthy, and yeah, all the best from me.